Welcome to Coffee Grounds with Jeff Wallitsch, and today we were talking about bringing the outdoors in, and what better way to do that with some gorgeous cut flowers.
That's right. It's always great to bring those fresh flowers inside, either from your garden or from your neighbor's garden.
Right. What do you recommend that you start with before you start going and trimming those flowers?
So pick out any type of vase. It can just anything that holds water. It can be decorative, and then I like to fill it up with some cold water here. And then I also like to add a little bit of splash of Sprite. And the reason why we do that is so that the plant can soak up those different sugars.
And you have some really nice flower shears and trimmers as well.
Right, use some flower shears are really good pruners because you want to make sure you have a really good clean cut when you are cutting your flowers.
All right, what kinds of flowers? Because when I walk out to the yard, I'm like, okay, whoa, what do I begin with?
I just go ahead and I get a little crazy and start cutting everything, but what I love to use for filler is these hosta leaves. There's so many different types of varieties of hostas, and they're just really great fillers. And then also ferns. A lot of people have ferns in their yard. This is a macho fern.
This is like people will go and just trim and throw away. Why
don't throw them away.
Tablescape.
Use a really great tablescape and put it into your arrangement.
Okay, I like how you've already started this here. This is pretty the way that you're
So I got some hydrangeas here, some rudbeckias. And when you're pruning, you want to make sure that you don't want any of this foliage in the water. So we're going to strip that, just like so. Take our pruners, and then we're going to cut that at an angle, and then we're going to stick into our vase. It's always good to cut a little longer because you can always make it shorter.
You have some beautiful vases here. Think outside the box.
Exactly. Mason jars. I love mason jars. Just something simple with a plain vase here with a zinnia in it, and then some old glass, either wine bottles or jars.
For any day of the week or even a special occasion. For more information on this or more ideas, go to wallitsch.net.